Hey guys, Eric here. Thanks again as always for watching. Today we're going to tell you how to create a playlist. And not just how to create a playlist, but how to add to the playlist. Because once you've already created, now you've got to add videos to it. And hopefully that will inspire you to create more similar videos like that. But the first thing we're going to do is head over to this little icon here, click on it, head to YouTube Studio. And there's your playlist section right there on the left. Now I want to add a new playlist, so I'm just going to click New Playlist. Let's give it a name. This one's going to be YouTube Tips. Create. And then what you'll see is an empty playlist section. So now you can go ahead and add a description here. These videos
will help you further YouTube video creations with these tips.
Save. We're going to click 3 buttons here, and then now you can go ahead and add videos. So I'm going to go right to my section right here where it says Your YouTube Videos. And now I want to add any videos that are related to the YouTube playlist I just created. So we'll start with this one here. We got that one. 3 tips about creating a great YouTube channel. How to add a trailer to your YouTube channel. How to build a YouTube channel fast. And I want to quickly mention too, if you need help in creating videos or working on your YouTube channel, I can help you in that direction there. So if you have any questions, you can always contact me. Create authority as a brand on YouTube. How to create the same description. How to fix the thumbnail problem. All right, then we're just going to click Add Videos. And you'll see all the videos related to this playlist. Great. Let's go back. Let's show you what it looks like. YouTube Studio, playlist. And whichever playlist that you ended with is the one you're going to see first. So in this case here, YouTube playlist here is going to be the first one. And that's how you make a playlist.